These little known ways to make money with AI are way too good not to share. When people ask me, how can they make money from home? Well, I tell them to try one of these because they can easily make you over $4,000 to $10,000 per month. No cap. Especially number 3, so make sure that you guys watch into the last one, okay? Let's get right into it. Okay, so you may or may have not heard of ChatGPT, but it literally is the next best thing next to sliced bread. Now, it's basically just your personal assistant that can do just about anything for you. Provide research, write scripts, blog posts, social media posts, honestly, whatever. Now, if you're looking for a side hustle, becoming a virtual assistant is always my go-to because it is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. And it was the first way that I started making money online, so that's why I'm always talking about it. So a virtual assistant is someone who assists a business owner in whatever task that they need so that the business owner can focus on more strategic areas of their business, right? But the toughest part in becoming a VA that a lot of people don't talk about is getting clients. Like, how are you gonna get someone to pay you? Now, I wanna share this hack with you guys that I just had this light bulb moment on. I'm like, okay, I have to share this with my audience. So my assistant, she just did this for me, and I was like, this is such a huge value add. Like, a lot of people don't even ever talk about this or do these things, and it makes me look so much more professional. So this is what I suggest, the same thing for you guys, is to create an email signature. That's what she did for me. Something so simple, but look at this. It just adds so much more credibility to my name when people are seeing my emails, and this is a great value add. And this got me thinking, you guys could do the same exact thing, but this is how I would approach it. First, if I were you, I would think about, first, who do I actually know that has a business that I might want to work for? If you can think of anybody and say, yeah, I would want to work for them, then go ahead and try this hack. Instead of just asking, can I help you with anything? Or do you have anything I can help you with? I will go and be proactive and just make them an email signature and just send it to them and say, hey, I made this for you and I love doing stuff like this. So let me know if you need any additional help with emails, social media, blog posts, or anything like that. You know, everything that ChatGPT can do for you. You know, you've already proven that you are capable of doing a good job by just what you just recently did, giving them an email signature that they never even asked for. So it just gives the business owner more of a reason to want to work with you. And if you don't know anyone, I recommend just using Facebook groups. You know, I'm in a ton of different entrepreneur Facebook groups, and people are always asking, is there any VAs out there? These posts usually get a lot of comments. But if this were me, I'd quickly go to Canva, create her an email signature from the limited info that I do have on Facebook, just to put myself out there and have an advantage over all the other people who are just saying, hey, hire me or I can work for you. Just show some value up front, and that will give you a leg up on the competition. And this is how I would get clients. I would use ChatGPT to do the work for me, and I wouldn't charge anything less than $25 an hour starting out. So instead of trying to prove something to someone that you are capable, why not just show them? All right, now number 2. Now this is something that I saw on YouTube, and I thought this was such a great idea. I had to share it with you guys. Now this YouTuber Max, he gave a great example of how he would use Midjourney, which is an AI art generator tool. Now it used to be free, but now they only have a paid version, but it's still just like the most awesome tool out there. And what Max suggested that he would use Midjourney to make money by doing menu upgrades for restaurants. So he asked the question in his video, which one of these 2 foods would you want to eat? Now it's probably going to be the better looking one, right? So he gave the example of going to Yelp and putting in Chinese restaurants near me. He picked one, he went to the review photos for this specific restaurant, and he found a dish that they had a review photo on. He copied that link over to Midjourney, and he pasted that same link and added some additional context for the image, and then look at what Midjourney created. A super professional new image using that restaurant's actual food as reference. So you can design entirely new menu makeovers of the restaurant's food, but have it look a lot more appetizing, making people want to purchase. Now these images could be used for their website, promotional materials, ads, and a new menu. All of this without ever having to step foot in the restaurant. Now what I would do, I would send an email to the restaurant owner that I'm targeting by already just doing a couple of their images, like maybe 1 or 2, and saying, I redid some of your menu item images. Here you go. And you don't ask for anything. Now the restaurant owner will probably love it and then ask you, how can you do more for them? And then the next question is, how much? So bam, that's how you can get your clients, and you're doing something that can only just take minutes. Like, there are no excuses, guys. We just gotta do some work, you know? All right, now the last way to make money with AI is my absolute favorite, and it's by using affiliate marketing. So AI is the hottest thing out right now, right? It's the newest thing that everyone's talking about. We're trying to learn more about, trying to get more information on how to actually use these tools, because no one knows how about a lot of these tools and how to use them. So what I would do is I would Google AI affiliate programs, because I'm trying to see what AI tools have affiliate programs. Because think of it like this. Every AI tool is designed to solve some type of problem, right? You know, that's how businesses stay in business, because they're solving some kind of problem. That's why people pay money to get a problem solved for them. So you want to find out what problem these AI tools are solving, but you want to make sure that you are only finding out about the ones with affiliate programs, so you can recommend these, you know, help solve people's problems and get paid in the process. Now, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically just a referral program. So you refer a product, someone purchases the product with your referral link that you're using to recommend the product, and you earn a commission because they made a purchase from it. So that's how it all works. So doing a Google search, I type in AI affiliate programs, and I see this article right here at the top of the search results. So what I'm gonna do is click on it. I'm gonna scroll down just to see what are some of these AI affiliate programs, which AI tools have affiliate programs. So I just see ScaleNut, Jasper, I've heard of that one, Notion. I've heard of Notion, but I don't know too much about it. So I see right here that they have an affiliate program where you can earn 50% of the entire referred payment without any earning caps. So this is awesome. So this is really good. So that means that anytime someone makes a purchase, you're gonna get 50% of this product, however much this costs. They must have different tiers. So then you say, okay, so let me see if I can actually do a YouTube video about Notion for people who don't know how to use Notion. So this is just something that I would do to see if there's a market out there for this tool. So I'm gonna go to YouTube, and then I'm gonna go in here and put in how to use Notion. Okay, so what I do is I typically just go ahead and look at what's in the search results and who's showing up first. So I see this how to use Notion beginner tutorial. Now I see this guy has 2.29 million subscribers and he has 494,000 views for this, which is good, but he also has a lot of subscribers. So that could be a reason why this video did so well. So I'm gonna scroll down to the second one to see what she has. Now this girl has 600,000 views on this just 5 months ago, and she only has 19,000 subscribers. So that means that this is a good keyword about Notion. Like, people are looking for this. So no matter if you even have a large audience or not, I could do a video very similar to hers. You know, I would watch her video, see how she was able to do hers, and I would learn from that. And let me show you, because this is how you make money from this. So you're gonna do a great tutorial. She probably did a great tutorial about how to use Notion, but she gave more reasons for people to go in her description. So if we click on her video, we can see that if you go to the description of her video, she probably has an affiliate link for Notion in here that is encouraging people to buy. So you go to this right here and you go to show more. Right here, you guys, the template I made in this video can be found here. This is an affiliate link right here for Notion. And then she has something also right here if you're a Notion Power user. And this is probably an affiliate link too right here. I'm not sure, I'd have to check. But this is how she's making money. You do a YouTube about something that most people don't know about. You use it, they have free trials. I will go ahead and just look at all the different AI tools out there that people don't know about, but they want to learn about. This is the thing to do right now. See what affiliate programs that they have. See if there's an opportunity to do a YouTube video on this stuff. And you can do this from your phone. There's no reason to say, oh, I don't have the stuff. I don't have, there's a mic on your phone and there is a camera on your phone. Most people have that. I don't want to assume that everyone does, but I would say if you can use your smartphone to get this done, do a good video on it and post it on YouTube. And this is how you can make so much money with AI. I do affiliate marketing all the time. I do it on YouTube. And this is how I make a lot of money on YouTube, which I'm working on an ebook right now. So make sure you guys, if you are interested in learning how to make money with YouTube and affiliate marketing, make sure you join my email list so you get notified when I do release that ebook. But this is how you do it. You're trying to basically get ahead of the curve before everyone else gets on board and understand all these things, and you become the subject matter expert at AI for these tools that no one knows about, and you just help. They're solving a problem, you're just helping them learn how to solve that problem that they have. You just need to identify what that problem is. So just do a little research. A simple Google search is to actually helping me. I could make so much money this way, but I want to give this to you guys because this is a great opportunity. I don't need to do this. If you're looking for extra ways to make money, this is what I would recommend you do because it's what I do in just a different kind of format. So I know it works. All right. These are 3 ideas I gave you. So let me know which one you want to do. And if you guys are still here at the end of this video, if you watch my videos, you know that I love to see, like, is anybody still here? Like, does anybody still watch my videos towards the end? So the way I like to do this one, let me know what your favorite color is in the comment section below. So I'll know you really actually stayed until the end of the video. Other people who don't stay, they're gonna be like, what are they putting these colors on there for? Don't be one of those people. Let me know your favorite color. And as always, thanks for watching. And if you guys didn't see my last video on 3 ways I make $10,000 per month, definitely check out that right now just to see how I do it and how you can do it too. I mean, like, y'all, if I can do it, if Whitney Bonds can do this stuff, like, there's no reason you can't do it too. All right? As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day and a new strategy on how to make money.